Reliable standard low-bed semi-trailer, designed for safe and efficient heavy cargo transportation. The standard low flatbed trailer is a versatile solution for transporting heavy machinery, construction equipment, and oversized cargo. With a low deck height and reinforced frame structure, it ensures excellent stability and safety during loading, transport, and unloading. This model is widely used for general heavy-duty transportation tasks and is suitable for various road conditions. Its simple and robust design makes it easy to maintain while delivering long-term operational reliability. Low-bed semi-trailer for heavy equipment transport. Key advantages: low deck height for easy loading of heavy machinery. Strong steel frame for high load-bearing capacity. Stable structure suitable for long-distance transport. Cost-effective solution for general heavy hauling.